and what's going to be happening for the rest of this evening and tomorrow. At this point, we have locked down the crime. I will say with a heavy heart that we are afraid there might be more than one person in that house. We know the victim's family had a lot of people living in that house, including children. We are aware that there are at least 6 to 8 people who are unaccounted for from that family. It is our terrible fear that they may be inside that house when it was burned. We are hopeful that that is not true, but we will not know until tomorrow morning.
So our church is a very busy place. We run a childcare center here, so the children were here, and we noticed the police, running down the street. So we locked down, and the police came and told us to evacuate the building. So we went to a safe place, and the drama started to unfold. And all we hear is that there was a shooting followed by a fire. But the good news is we're able to get all of the children out of this space, and they've all gone home to their parents, and the staff are here waiting to get their vehicles so they too can go home and try to process everything, because it's like a trauma, drama. Everybody is afraid, they don't know what's happening. So.